Vinyl window installation in Little Rock is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a variety of window-style options available, including double-hung windows and custom window solutions, residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Vinyl Windows Little Rock services offer comprehensive installation solutions, ensuring each project meets the highest standards of quality and durability. Energy-efficient windows are a top priority for many homeowners in Little Rock, as they provide significant energy savings and contribute to a more sustainable environment. By opting for Vinyl Windows Little Rock, residents can enjoy reduced energy bills and a more comfortable living space. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Window frame replacement is an essential service for maintaining the structural integrity and appearance of your windows. Vinyl Windows Little Rock specialists provide professional frame replacement services to ensure your windows remain secure and visually appealing. Whether you need a full window frame replacement or a minor installation, Little Rock experts are equipped to handle all your needs efficiently. Double-hung windows are a versatile and popular choice for many homeowners. These windows offer excellent ventilation and are easy to clean, making them practical for any home. Double-hung vinyl windows Little Rock options come in various finishes, allowing homeowners to customize their designs and improve their home's overall aesthetic appeal. Window glass installation is crucial for maintaining the clarity and functionality of your windows. Vinyl Windows Little Rock professionals provide expert glass replacement services, handling issues from small cracks to full glass replacements. With professional installation, homeowners can ensure their vinyl windows perform efficiently and look beautiful. Custom window solutions in Little Rock allow homeowners to design unique and personalized windows for their homes. Whether you're looking for a specific style, material, or size, Vinyl Windows Little Rock offers fully customized options to match your vision. These tailored designs perfectly complement your home's architectural style and functionality. Window seal replacement plays a key role in maintaining energy efficiency and weatherproofing. Vinyl Windows Little Rock technicians ensure each window is properly sealed to prevent drafts and moisture infiltration. This service enhances durability, ensuring your vinyl windows last longer and perform better throughout the year. Window insulation services in Little Rock are designed to boost your home's energy efficiency and comfort. By improving insulation, you can reduce energy loss and maintain stable indoor temperatures. Vinyl Windows Little Rock experts provide specialized insulation upgrades to maximize your home's energy savings potential. Window style options in Little Rock are diverse, offering homeowners endless possibilities to match their design preferences. From classic to contemporary designs, Vinyl Windows Little Rock provides a range of stylish and durable options to fit every aesthetic. Exploring these styles ensures you find the perfect window solution for your home. Vinyl window installation in Little Rock offers numerous benefits, including enhanced energy efficiency and reduced maintenance. Our Vinyl Windows Little Rock services guarantee long-lasting performance and beauty, helping homeowners upgrade their spaces with durable and stylish windows. With our expertise, you'll enjoy superior comfort and window energy savings. For those seeking window frame replacement in Little Rock, our team delivers comprehensive solutions that include Vinyl Windows Little Rock installation and window glass replacement. Our experts focus on insulation, durability, and design to provide you with long-term comfort and satisfaction for your home. Double-hung vinyl windows in Little Rock remain a popular option for their balance of style and practicality. Our Vinyl Windows Little Rock services include maintenance, screen replacement, and weatherproofing to ensure each window functions perfectly. With professional design consultation, you can select the best windows for your property's style and energy needs. Window measurement services in Little Rock ensure precision fitting for all installations, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. Vinyl Windows Little Rock installers guarantee accurate sizing, while our installation warranty provides peace of mind and lasting results. We also offer hardware upgrades and noise reduction options for added comfort. Window UV protection in Little Rock helps safeguard interiors from sun damage, while moisture control prevents humidity-related issues. Our Vinyl Windows Little Rock specialists provide aesthetic enhancement services that elevate your home's value and appearance, making vinyl window installation a smart investment. Window noise reduction in Little Rock is achieved through innovative insulation methods that create a calm indoor environment. Our Vinyl Windows Little Rock services include UV protection, moisture control, and energy-saving upgrades to maintain a healthy, quiet, and efficient home environment. Window security features in Little Rock enhance home safety while improving curb appeal. Vinyl Windows Little Rock experts offer reliable installations that boost both protection and property value. With professional contractor services, you'll benefit from secure, stylish, and long-lasting vinyl window solutions. For those interested in window hardware upgrades in Little Rock, we provide numerous enhancement options for improved function and design. Our Vinyl Windows Little Rock maintenance team offers regular inspections, installations, and replacements to keep your windows in pristine condition. Additionally, window screen replacements ensure ventilation without compromising protection. Window weatherproofing in Little Rock is vital for protecting your home against harsh conditions. Vinyl Windows Little Rock experts ensure proper sealing and installation to minimize energy loss. Through our design consultation and accurate window measurement services, every installation achieves a perfect fit and long-term durability.